Hi, my name's Mitch. I'm a teaching artist with Mirror Image Arts. Today we're going to learn about puppets and create it, relate it. For today's activity, all you're going to need is Melvin.
Oh, hi, Mitch.
I notice your shoulders are slumped and you're looking down.
Yeah. Even though I'm trying to get over it, I just feel so sad.
I understand that it doesn't always feel nice to be sad, but I wonder, what if your sadness is trying to tell you something?
What do you mean?
Well, emotions are information. They're clues that can help us find what we need or want.
Really?
Yeah. As a trusted adult in your life, I'd be happy to help you explore and find those clues. Or if you want to explore on your own, that's fine too.
Well, those are both really good options. I think I want to be by myself, but I do want to talk about it later.
Okay, that sounds like a plan.
Okay, will you still be here when I get back?
Absolutely.
Okay.
While Melvin takes some time for himself, let's talk about what we'll need today. I'm going to show you 3 different styles of sock puppets. All these things are completely optional. They're based on what you have at the house. Our first puppet is just a basic sock. All you'll need is your imagination. Our second puppet, we used some things around the house to build a face. Construction paper, button, cardboard, and some glue. Our third puppet, you may need an adult's help to build. We used some felt, some pom-poms, googly eyes, some yarn for the hair. In the description for this video, you'll find links to other videos that'll help you build these puppets. But today, we're gonna just focus on our first one.
Mitch, I did it. I figured it out.
That's great.
Yeah, I pretended like I was a detective, and I gathered all the clues, and that's when I discovered it.
Well, what was it?
Well, even though I'm around people a lot, I still feel pretty lonely. I wish I had more friends to play with.
Well, Melvin, we're gonna make some new friends right now.
You're kidding.
It's true. I have 3 puppet friends, and all they need is a little theater magic.
Oh, wow, this is so exciting. Can I help?
Of course.
Oh, let's be scientists.
Totally.
Okay.
Do you want to lead?
Definitely. Okay, everybody come to actor ready positions. Make sure your feet are a little bit apart. Take a deep breath in. And close your eyes, lights down. Now keep them closed until I say, lights up. Oh, wow.
Oh, whoa.
Wow, okay, now Mitch, you pull that switch.
Oh, and that'll spark life into them.
Exactly. Now let's do it on the count of 3. I'll need your help to count at home too, okay? 1, 2, 3. Wow, it worked! This is so exciting, friends. I have so many questions to ask you. What's your name? Do you have a favorite color? What's your favorite kind of food? Wow, this is great.
Well, Melvin,
Yeah.
do you mind if I hang out with our friend here for a minute?
Oh, okay, but I'll be back. We have so many activities.
With our puppet friend here alive through theater magic, let's talk about how we can show emotions. Will you help me show emotions? Awesome. Let's start with happy. Kind of bouncy, up, smiling. How about sad? Down, heavier, lower energy. How about angry? Up, high energy, intense. How about calm? Yeah, lower energy, kind of down, but still feeling okay. Cool. Feel free to think of other emotions and how you can show them with your puppet. Thank you for spending this time with me today. I had fun, and I hope you did too. Later.